Hey friends, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create this super cute stop motion video using your phone and our app Lapse. If you haven't downloaded our stop motion app yet, please head to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download it before you start this tutorial. This stop motion tutorial is one of 12 in our series 12 Ways to Animate One Scene. You can see all the different videos here, and I'll link to the playlist to access all the other tutorials down below. I'm also going to link to our Getting Started video. If you haven't watched this yet, I highly recommend giving it a watch before you start these tutorials. In it, I teach the fundamentals to creating a polished and professional looking stop motion video. Alright, let's dive into our tutorial. This is a behind the scenes look of my setup. As you can see, I'm blocking the natural daylight to avoid flicker. I've got my hard light, which I'll link also down below in the description. And we've got our phone and obviously a tripod. Before we dive into the tutorial, we're going to turn our auto lock settings to never so that our phone doesn't lock while we're animating and shooting our video. Alright, so let's start creating this video. As you can see, it's boomeranged, so we're not actually going to make the motion of it going back and forth. We're just going to shoot it moving in one direction, and then we can boomerang it later in editing. So as you can see, I have my exposure, white balance, and focus locked. We're starting with the lime at the very back. Take your first photo and move the lime only a tiny bit. I'm moving it very gently because I don't want the glass or the leaf or the straw moving, so that the focus can be on the lime moving. I'm moving the lime just a little bit between each photo so that when we play it back at a high speed, it'll have a very smooth animation look to it, versus if we just had, let's say, two photos of the lime at the front and the back. If you play that at a high speed, it's going to look really jittery. Alright, let's see how it looks. So this is obviously very slow, so we're going to up the speed here. And see how it just continues to go back to the beginning after it reaches the end. So what we need to do now is we're going to enable the boomerang so that it'll have that back and forth motion. And I always love adding more brightness, even with professional lights. It still doesn't get to that level that I like, so you can really take it to the next level with those editing features. I've cropped this to 4:5 because I know I want it for Instagram feed. Now I'm going into the tilt feature to readjust the crop, so I'm just dragging it down a little bit so there's more of that leaf in the shot. And let's add some music. This is looking so cute. I love it. Alright, with only 8 photos, this is our end result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps our brand grow and get these tutorials in front of more eyes. If you recreate this video and post it to social media, I would absolutely love to see what you've created. Please tag and follow us at LapseApp for a chance to get featured on our Instagram page. Do you want to learn how to create really eye-catching videos all from your phone? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we're always putting out more stop motion video tutorials. Thanks for watching.